Subscribing to your AI tools is not a problem. Buying the credit after the subscription is not a problem. You reaching your daily limit after your subscription is still not a problem. Now, what's not a problem? Can you be consistency with it whenever you reach your daily limit? Okay. Now, this is where what I want to teach you in the video comes in. Okay. Now, this today's video, we're showing the free tools you can still use to still spicy up your AI content, especially whenever you reach your daily limit or you can't afford the subscription money in some of these apps. Okay. Now, I will show you the step-by-step method you can be using to also hold and see consistency in your AI journey. Everything about this journey is about being consistent. At least try your best to post up to 2 to 3 times every week. Okay, this will help your audience to know, yeah, this person is still with them. Okay, now, but whenever you're trying to focus on all this pay app or subscription app, most of them sometimes they disappoint you. Okay, so whenever they disappoint you, try facing the free app. Sometimes they can also be a lifesaver to you. Okay, now on today's video, we'll be showing you a step-by-step method you can still be using your free apps to generate your AI movie and still be posting. Okay, so without not wasting your time, if this is your first time coming across my page, I'm still your best coach, Verb It Everywhere. On this channel, we teach you everything you have to know about AI tools, both the free ones, okay, so that you can help you to spice up your AI journey and stick to consistent and get monetized at the end of everything. Now, without not wasting your time, let's dive in. Now head over to your ChatGPT or any of your AI generating scripts. First of all, generate your script. This is my, I just generated a short script of it. Now go ahead to copy it. Now head over to our Google app, okay? You can say to go with Chrome, you can say to go with Firefox, anyone you feel like, okay? Now head over to the search bar. Now when you get to your search bar, can you go and type exactly what you are seeing on the screen? Your 3.1 video generator, which you are seeing it. Now when you type, you go ahead to send it. I have sent mine. Now when you send yours, just go ahead to search for the app, like for the website. Do you see this View 3 AI? This purple white, that is one we'll be going with, okay? Now can you go ahead to click on it? Now when you click on it, this will be the first interface you will see. Now sometimes once you enter here immediately, they will bring in your email for you to choose anyone. But if they didn't bring it, from this image to text, text to video, just click anyone and log in, okay? Now when you click on it, okay, this interface is what you will see next. When you come over here, do you see that login? That login on top. Can you click on that login? Now when you click on that login, they'll bring out this thing for you. Sign in with your Google, okay? Now when you click on sign in with your Google, they'll bring out your email for you to choose anyone you want to work with. So like this, I have successfully signed in. Are you seeing that E? That shows my email has blank. Now do you see your prompts? Describe the video you want to create, okay? Now head over, that is be where we be pasting in our prompts, okay? Now go there to paste in, sorry, our script we just copied. Go there to paste in the script, okay? Now when you paste in your script, you see the first frame, click to upload. Now kindly click on that first frame, go to your photo, that will take you directly to your gallery. Now I have brought my own, this is it, is loading. Once you done loading, this is what you will see next, okay? Now for this Cadence 1.5 Pro, click on it, you see different kinds of model this website have, okay? They have a lot of different kinds of model, okay? But for the sake of this video, we'll be going with our, with our Cadence 1.5 Pro, okay? Now when I click on it, do you see that ratio? They have 16.9, they have 9.16, which is for short, okay? Now we're going with 16.9 because that's how my picture is. The land escape duration, I'll just leave it for 4, okay? Now under the resolution, okay, I will just leave it for that 480p, okay? Just leave it under there, don't go for any other one, okay? Now once you don setting all these settings, okay, once you don set, click on that generate. When you click on that generate, they would like to secret verification to verify if you are human or robot. Kindly verify you are a human, okay? Now when you verify, allow it to load like this. The video is now generating. Do you see it? Video generating task submitted processing. Now for you to see where your video is being generated, kindly scroll, just scroll. Do you see generating your video? This is where our video is being generated. Okay, so just give it time. The video is ready. So guys, let's check
No, I
the
almost gave up
result.
on love.
Really? I got hurt so many times that I stopped believing in love.
So do you see it? If you like the result, go ahead to download, but if you don't like it, you can still regenerate it. You see regenerate, but I like it, that's why I click on my save. Now when you click on your save, you see this, click on your downloaded in process. You see the video have been downloaded successfully to our device. Now for the next method will be our method 2. One advantage of this method 2 is that they are unlimited. Okay, so which is YouTube. Now click on your YouTube, enter your YouTube channel. When you enter your YouTube channel, do you see that plus sign? This plus sign I see on the middle. Click on that plus sign. Okay, now make sure you choose that short arrow. Okay, now click on that logo you are seeing up there. Now do you see photo to video? You can still use it to generate your video. Create video, you can still use it to generate your video, but for today's tutorial I'll be going with photo to video because I've been using create video. Okay, it's under my channel, you can still check it out. Now when you click on your photo to video, they will now take you directly to your gallery for you to bring in your image. Do you see that? Try bringing your picture to life. Go ahead to paste in your script there and make sure you animate it. Okay, just tell the app the accent you want it to use. Okay, now once you don, click on that white arrow to send. Now one thing about YouTube is that YouTube don't have long escape video yet. Okay, they are just only focusing on short for now, but one best thing about it is that you can generate multiple video, okay, of your choice. And also when they even place their watermark, it's not even like, it's not that kind showable. Okay, you can just zoom it while you are editing it. Okay, now our video is ready. Let's go ahead to
I almost gave
check
up on
the
love.
results.
Every relationship I had ended in heartbreak.
Really? I thought I was the only one. I got hurt so many times that I stopped believing in love.
I almost gave up on love.
So guys,
Every
did
relationship.
you see? This is very awesome. Now for you to save it, okay, do you see that icon? Click on that icon, you see save to device. Now click on that save to device. You see video saved to your device like this. Now this video have saved direct to my device. Okay, now after that, let's go over to the third method. For our third method, we'll be using Warm AI. So this is the Warm AI. You can use the website, you can still use the app. Okay, now when you come over to the Warm AI, do you see steering? Do you see video? Now because of you're going with video, you're going to click on video. Okay, now when you click on your video, do you see that first frame? Click on it and that will now take you direct to your gallery for you to bring in your image. Okay, now when you bring in your image, click on that general for you to do some certain setting. Okay, now this is the duration. You can set to increase it to any seconds you want. Just know that the more you increase it, the more your credit consume. Okay, now once you done increasing it, that resolution, leave it like that. This is that place the arrow is pointing, refer to your image, paste in your script there. Now when you paste in your script, do you see that 18? That is the credit you'll be using. Okay, for 9 seconds minute video, for 9 seconds video. Click on that 18 or that white icon to send. Like this, we have sending the video. Okay, so what about this app? They don't waste time, like sharp sharp. Now let's check the video.
I almost gave up on love. Every relationship I had ended in heartbreak.
You can see if you like it, you can go ahead to
I
download,
almost
but if you
gave up
don't
on
like, you can
love.
still go ahead to
Every relationship I had ended in
regenerate
heartbreak.
it. Okay,
Really?
now for you to
I thought
download
I
it
was the
direct to your
only one.
device, do you see that three dot? That three dot you are seeing at your left hand side. Now click on that three dot. Do you see that download? Now click on that download. Okay, like this, the video is now saving direct to our device. Okay, now that's not wasting your time. Let's head over to the next one. Okay, now for the next part is called, we'll be using Flow AI. Mind you, can still use the website, you can still use the app. I don't know, I just prefer using app than website. I don't know if I'm the only one. Mind you, everything that happen in website also happen in the app. Okay, now when you open your app, okay, do you see that new? Click on that new, then I take you direct to this dashboard, like this thing you're seeing here. Now just click on that image. Now when you click on the image, now go to your video, because we are generating video. Okay, choose the ratio your image is. If it's 9.16, choose. If it's 16.9, choose. Okay, like the one you want to work with. Okay, now under this 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, this is how many times you want your video to appear while generating it. Okay, now under the seconds, 8 seconds, 9 seconds, 10 seconds, 6, 4, this is how many seconds you want your video to be. Okay, now do you click on that? Do you see Omnifresh for 15 credits? Do you see Vivio 3.1 Lite for 10 credits? Vivio 3, the other one, okay, for 20. The quality one for 100. It's not for you to choose any one, oh, okay. But I'll be going with Omnifresh, okay, for 10 seconds, okay. Now, when I choose these two now, do you see that plus sign up here? Click on that plus sign, you see right, you see image. Now choose image because your image is still in your gallery. Okay, now when you choose your image, okay, now paste in your script. When you paste in your script, just allow you, due to this arrow have come up, send it and give it time to generate. So the video is ready. Let's check the results.
You know, I almost gave up on love. Every relationship I had ended in heartbreak.
Really? I thought I was the only one. I got hurt so many times that I stopped believing in love.
You know,
So that's just it. If you like the results, now long press on the video and you see that road. You click on that road and make sure you get this median downloaded successfully before you leave the app. Okay. Now I want to show you one secret for what's it called again? ChatGPT. Okay, this is my ChatGPT like this. Okay. So let me show you how you can transform any ratio image to another ratio. Okay. Now ChatGPT first of all give me 16.9, which is long a cap. I want to transform it to 9.16. Now gently click on that image. Do you see resize? Click on that resize. Now when you click on that side, you see different kinds of ratio will come out. Okay, different kinds of ratio will come out. This one is under 16.9, okay, but I'll be changing it to 9.16, which is the story or short. You're seeing it. Now when you choose that one, give it time to load. La. Do you see? Do you see this? Do you see that? The same thing. Okay? For those that are using YouTube to ChatGPT to generate their image, use this method. Okay, sometimes. Now for you to download it, click on the image. We see save button up there. Click on that save button. That's just it. Hope this video was very helpful. Let me know at the comment section.